Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. Having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to click on profile right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three stroke from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings and privacy. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down to switch account. So click on that. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on add account. Then right here, you have different options to sign up with this particular new account. So you can use with email or with your Facebook account or with your Google account or with your phone number from the top right here. In this video, I will use continue with email. I'll click on here. Then you'll be asked to enter your email address. So straight up, I'm going to enter my email address. And having entered your email address, next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue. Then you'll be asked to enter your login password. So I'm going to simply create a login password for the account. So the next thing you need to do, after you enter your login password, click on continue. Then right here, you need to set your date of birth. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on next right here. Then you have to enter your nickname. Next thing you need to do is to click on continue. It's as simple as that. You have added a new TikTok account. For you to confirm the new TikTok account, what you need to do is to simply click on profile right here. Then you have your new account just like so. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add multiple accounts on TikTok. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.